the square footage of the building was greater than our needs. And so our owner kind of looked around and said, what could we use this part of the building for that would benefit the community? And so he met with community leaders, some pastors, and said, what would benefit this area of town?
Right.
As we've talked about, it is a little distressed, has a history of violence and crime. And what the leaders said was, we need a space for a business incubator. We need a safe and beautiful spots for businesses to launch,
For people to develop.
to develop businesses. And
Right.
so while we are a modular home factory, and we have our sister companies also have their headquarters here, this part is all about impacting the community.
Yeah.
So this is what we do. So this is a co-working office space and an event space for this side of town.
Which is why we're standing where all of that happens.
Correct.
Yeah.